Fine, let us go with the problem number 25 here. A supermarket sells 19 oranges for 114, 6 apples for 48, 22 pomegranates for 154 and 17 mangoes for 153. Which one of the fruits is the cheapest? So it's a simple division problem. You just go with that. So we have to find individual fruit prices. Let us go with oranges. Orange price is equal to how much? For 19 oranges 114. 114 divided by 19. Right. For let us divide later stages. Right. Then what is that? 6 apples. Apples is equal to how much? 48 rupees for 6 apples. Right. Then pomegranates is 154 22 for 22. For mangoes see 153 for 17. Let us divide one by one. Orange. So orange is how much? 19, 20, 6 120, 19 6 19 ones 19 6 rupees. You can check out. So 9 6 are 54, 4, 5 carry, 6 ones are 6 plus 5, 11. That is so 56. See, this is going to be 6 rupees. This is 6 rupees orange. Right. This one is 6 ones are 6 8s. So 8 rupees for each apple. For pomegranate, let us check out with this. Let me divide this 22. So 11s are. So here what happens here? 2 7s are correct. 2 7s are, and as well as 1 remainder 2 7s are. So this is going to be 7 rupees. And this is mango. 17 9s are. 17 ones are 17 9s. This is 9 rupees. By observing this, the orange is the cheapest fruit compared to apple, pomegranate and mango. Right? This is the answer. Right.